Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So if we talk about the QA section this year round, the questions seem to be a little bit on the difficult side. That is the kind of question we have seen being asked this year. They required an in-depth understanding of the subject matter just to solve them, and subsequently they were more calculation intensive and required a lot of time just to come to the gist of it. Okay, so that in turn contributed towards increasing the difficulty level of the paper in general. Okay. Having said that, what we'll be doing in this video is we'll be taking a question from the paper itself and subsequently try and get an idea about how to go about solving these kinds of questions, so that whenever we come across questions such as this further down the line, we are easily able to solve them. Okay. So with all that said and done, let's focus on the question at hand. 30% of the men are more than 25 years old and 80% of them are less than or equal to 50 years old. Okay. 20% of all men play football and 20% of men above the age of 50 play football. 20% of the men above the age of 50 play football. What percent of the football players are less than or equal to 50 years old? Okay. So say we have 100% men. We have men who are 100%. Okay, and we'll further segregate this using the data now. 30% of the men are above more than 25 years old. Okay, so more let me more than 25, this is 30%. Okay, 30 and is equal to 25, that will be 70. Okay, and 80% of the men are less than equal to 50 years old. Okay, 80% of the men are less than equal to 50 years old. So equal to 50, we have 80 over here. Okay, so now try and understand one thing. Okay, less than 25, so this 70 people will be included in this 80 because they are less than 50 anyway, so this 70 will be included, and furthermore 10 more people has to be included, so 10 more people will be included from this 30, that is 10 will be coming here as well. So that is now we know people greater than 50, because greater than 25 will include greater than 50, they will be 20. Okay, we know that. So let me just highlight all this informations. Okay, let me just keep on highlighting all this information, this important informations. We'll be using it subsequently. Okay, so this is another important information. Okay, this is another important information. Okay, so 70 from here and 10 from here. Okay, so now let's go further. If 80% of the men are less than equal to 50 years old, 20% of all men play football. Okay, 20% of all men, that is 20 play football. 20% of all men play football. If 20% of men above the age of 50 play football, so men above the age of 50 is 20. So 20% of this will be 4. So this 4 again play football. Okay, this 4 play football. Then what percent of the football players are less than equal to 20 or less than equal to 50? Okay, so 4 players are included here, so these 4 players are greater than 50, so therefore remaining 16 players will be those who are basically less than equal to 25. So 16 players are such that, so 16 will be how much percent of 20? So if we take it as 16 by 20 into 100 should be 5, that is 80%. Okay, so 80% will be our answer. So I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So this is a very interesting question. So if you miss even one data in this case, so I think you will miss up the entire portion here. So the question seems pretty easy once we solve them, but you have to keep all the data into account and all the percentages into account as well. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So in case you are having any doubt with respect to how we solve the same, kindly go through the entire video multiple times and then subsequently try and solve this question. Okay, how we bifurcated all the important aspects of the same and subsequently got our results. Okay, so go through the video and then subsequently try and solve this question on your own. Keep the video as a reference. That should be more than enough to get you a general idea about how to go about solve these questions. Okay. Now, having said that, in case you're looking to get yourself a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is go through the description of the video wherein you'll find a bunch of details for contacting us, like our website URLs, our email IDs, our numbers for call, text to WhatsApp. So feel free to connect with us on all those lines, whichever is convenient to you. So any doubt you might have with regards to your exam preparation or your what to say subject or topic related query, or if you just need in general guidance with respect to how to go and prepare for any competitive examination for that matter, or you need our expertise on any concepts that you are having difficulty in understanding or any subject wise expertise, feel free to connect with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards. Okay, having said all of that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so we'll keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing our discussion of the similar sort of questions in subsequent videos as well, wherein we'll try and cover more details. So right now I'm signing off. Thank you so much.